How to make this cute jellyfish hanging for your key bunch or for your bag zippers. So basically I have taken a thick string over here, a thick yarn, and I have done the magic circle. Once I've done the magic circle, now all that I'll be doing is single crochet stitches around the circle. Now this totally depends upon your choice how many you'll need. For me, approximately I have taken 15 single crochet stitches around the magic ring in this way. And once I have come to the end of it, I will just do a slip stitch, and then on my second round I will work on double crochets. So I missed that one, so I will just keep doing double crochet stitches on my second line, and I'll finish off the full ring with the same double crochet stitches on each of my previous lines. Now the reason why I have taken a thick yarn is because it will help in the coverage to avoid any filling. This is what I was talking about. Can you see the kind of structure that it's given me? A ball kind of shape. So this is very good in a way that I do not need to fill in anything extra. The shape has automatically formed. Now we'll form the outer part of that structure. So basically once you are done with that round structure, the outer part is just going to look like a cap. For that I have taken a thinner string and I'll pass it through the end line of the final double crochet stitch that I had done, and I will attach the string with a slip stitch in this way. All I have to do after that is in each of these gaps I will be doing 5 double crochets. Okay, so each of these gaps till the end you will perform 5 double crochets. So this is how I will be going about it. I'm done with 2 of them. This is the third one, the fourth one, and finally the 5th double crochet. Once I am done with 5 double crochets on that bit, I will work on my next gap. So once you have worked all through those gaps, you'll have a circular shape like this, and then the end portion you will fix it together with the slip stitch which I had shown earlier. Now this string, the excess string which is hanging outside, you will weave it in and get it inwards. Okay, so weaving in is basically hiding the excess string. Now this excess string has another friend of its self, so we have 2 of them, and all I will be doing is one of the strings I will take it around this circular portion basically, and all that fat yarn which was there, I have pulled it inwards and I have formed it inside that ball shape. I have just pushed it in, and this string, the thinner one, I will take it around the full round structure that I have. So once you run it around the round structure like this, so there you go, that's it. The 2 strings now that you have at the end, you all will just tie it together. So these 2 strings basically just a normal knot you all will form. So you all will have to form a double knot, just like normally how you tie your shoelace, in the same way. First the single knot and then the next single knot to be followed. And this is what you have. The extra thread that you have, you will just hide it in, and here is our structure. Now we are going to form that arm part and the tentacle part of the jellyfish. For that, what you'll have to do is form your knot and then just do a chain stitch. Now this totally depends on how thin and thick your thread is and on how long you want the arm thing to be hanging from the jellyfish. As for me, I feel 15 to 20 is more than enough, but the best way of checking it is holding the end of the chain stitch and checking how much will it be hanging from that circular part that you had made, the ball one. I will be making two different type of arms, tentacles for the jellyfish. One will be the thicker one and one just a thin line of chain stitches. So for the thicker one, what I will be doing is, as you saw just now, I just made the normal knot that you need to begin the crochet stitch with, and thereafter we do a slip stitch of that knot into our blue color string that we have of chain stitches. So the first part of this thing would be to attach the white string to the blue string. That would be done by a simple slip stitch. Now once the string is attached, on each of the gaps you will be performing double crochets. So how many double crochets you will perform are 3 double crochets in each of the gaps. So the blue string is the plain chain stitches that I have made, and the white string I will be doing the double crochets, the 3 double crochets in each of the chain stitch gaps. Okay, so this is my first double crochet. Now is the second one, and then finally the third one. So you will continuously do these 3 double crochets in each of those gap of the chain stitches that we have. You'll have to do it right up to the top of it to show the arm of the jellyfish. I'll just show you one bit. This is how much of the length is ready. So I'll do it all to the end of that blue string on top, and once I have it ready, all I have to do is, with the end portion, I will attach it to the main structure, the main body of the jellyfish. Cut off the excess of the string, and extra strings you have to weave it in to hide it. That's it. And finally, this is what it should be looking like. So we have just attached one of it, and once you attach all of them, these are plain chain stitches, line of chain stitches, and then at the end of it we will be attaching a loop kind of thing that is just to give hanging support for our keychain or for our bag zipper or any of those things that you would like to use it for. So friends, do let me know how did you all like this jellyfish keychain hanging or your bag zipper hanging. If you found it easy to make and would you be trying it, do let me know in the comments. And for those of you all who are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe so that you all can get notification on new videos that I post every time. I'll see you next time on Tip Lab. Bye for now.